Fix Network is a global aftermarket automotive leader. I think as a network, we've done a fantastic job navigating through these challenging times. We've been very resilient and patient through this. I think it's a true testament to our family of companies, of us coming together, making sure we support each other. I'm very proud of our team, our head office staff. We adapted, we changed, and I think we're well positioned to make sure we capitalize on the new environment of this world coming out of it. There's a lot of data points coming in to our facilities. And a lot of time I would say, and owners would say, we have all this great data, but we don't know what to change to drive a different outcome. And that's where we come in. We train our field team to making sure we're supporting the franchises, taking the data, showing them what they need to change to making sure they deliver the better outcome, which is the right price approach for fixing the car and the right profitability for our stores. We constantly invest in people. We constantly push people to rise to their full potential. We invest in our people because our people are what make it happen. COVID is a great example. The power of our network and our team did a great job of communicating with the franchisees. There was so much information coming out as a franchisee, so many different changes between states, between provinces, between countries, and they were looking towards us to provide that guidance. And I would tell you, the team did a fantastic job globally, quarterbacking what I would tell weekly calls and daily meetings to making sure what are the changes happening between states and governments, making sure we get the latest information to them, that they don't have to go out and look for it. Positioning yourself with all the right tools to making sure when the change comes, you're in the best position to capitalize on it, I think is key for any franchise system. In this new marketing and digital world, we have a digital marketing team, an analytics team, you can imagine HR team, learning management systems, we have the training center, we have the operational support team, we have the biggest ops team of any franchise system in the automotive aftermarket space, and we have a sales team. We're sharing our resources as a collective family. We use systems that we track all reputational risk for all our franchisees. So we do a lot of the stuff behind the scenes for them that make it easier for them to make sure they can focus on running the business, not worrying on the marketing strategy, the digital strategy, making sure what's going on the next 3 to 5 years. We design the pillars to making sure we have the stability and strength and making sure that we can adapt in this changing environment. Our North American market and European market are going to be the areas where we're focusing on growth, in New Zealand and Australia as well. At the end of the day, I think our system can grow to be over 10,000 locations around the world, and we truly are then the only international global company in the automotive aftermarket space. I would say that knowledge and pioneering and ability for us to navigate in multiple countries and multiple languages around the world is a unique situation. The more franchisees contribute and the passion to the system, the better they make the system. We're a collective of businesses. I would say it's not as if at corporate we have every single answer. The greatest ideas come from the franchisees, not from corporate. Change is tough and there's disruption, and I would say it's not a pleasant thing to go through. But I would say the people that are able to take on that change, work through the disruption in time, position themselves to come better out on the other side.